Offshore accident lawyer, offshore accident lawyer FVF law. Offshore accident lawyer. Working offshore can be exciting, but it can also be dangerous. No matter how many safety precautions you take, accidents and injuries are common and sometimes fatal. Offshore workers can experience devas- devastating injuries caused by dangerous conditions on offshore platforms. Crew boast jack-up rigs and tankers, and in the ocean itself, workers often are not sufficiently trained and work along hours with few breaks, making the risk of injury even higher. When a serious injury occurs in an offshore accident, it can be emotionally and financially devastating for the victim. It can also be hard to determine where to start when it comes to recovering damages from personal injury or wonderful health. A good place to start is to contact an offshore accident lawyer with experience in personal injury and maritime law who can wade through the complex details of your case and help you get the best recovery possible. Common cause of offshore accident. Offshore and oily field accidents are often preventable. They can happen during basket transfer, line handling, vessel collisions, and diving operations. Many accidents are the same as you would encounter in many workplaces, such as equipment failures and slip and falls. But because working offshore is a more high risk workplace environment, an injury may also result from a fire or explosion. Despite the big budget associated with the oil industry, there is sometimes very little training and oversight on an oil rig. This type of employer negligence can result in unsafe working environment that leads to underqualified employees performing dangerous tasks that they are not properly trained for, resulting in serious injury. Offshore accidents commonly lead to head trauma, spinal injuries, severed limbs, and other serious injuries. These injuries are often specially caused by oil rig injuries. Workers on oil rigs use complex and cumbersome equipment to drill and perform other tasks. Many workers are not properly trained on how to use the needed equipment, which increase the risk of offshore accidents.